It was at the Azimio leadership meeting that took place at the SKM command center that Azimio Brigade came out to drum up support for Friday's Saba Saba meeting and the consequent plans to return to street demos. The Azimio coalition wants Kenyans not to be cowed by the government as their rights are solidly protected in the constitution. Kenyans have been urged to form a united front.
By resorting to civil disobedience and protests, we can't be wrong unless the law itself is wrong. The same law that sets up governments and its institutions like parliament, the courts, the police, etc., allows us to picket, to protest, and engage in boycotts and present petitions.
Azimio has planned a rally this Friday, falling on the Saba Saba memorial, but now the plans is not only confined within Nairobi, but will be spread across the country, where a signature collection drive will be initiated.
On that day, 7th July 2023, that is coming Friday, among other activities, we will launch a signature collection to signify our rejection of Kenya Kwanza legitimate regime and its policies, especially the punitive taxes.
The plan includes protest, public barazas and civil disobedience, with the coalition insisting that the same is not in any way meant to cause mayhem in the country.
We are not in any way advocating violence. We have never advocated violence in the past. We will never advocate it now or in the future. We believe in the law and the rule of law and will act within the law. But only weapon that we have in our hands is our sovereign power to picket, to protest, boycott, and embark on civil disobedience.
Odinga also wants Kenyans to reject any signs of dictatorship.
There comes a time when people get tired of getting tired and decide to act. That time has come.
The Azimio leader further weighed in on the High Court's decision to declare Chief Administrative Secretary position unconstitutional.
The media must get it correct, because you're saying the court has done Ruto a blow. No, the court has just upheld the law, what the constitution says. They've interpreted it correctly.
The coalition is promising a Saba Saba like no other.
To give you copies of the statement.
Martin Opio, K24 TV, Nairobi.